Hello guys, today we are in Howth.
With a lovely weather that day, we decided to head over to Howth to fly my RC glider. The plan was also to let my friend Ronald give it a try for the first time using the trainer setup with the two radios. Howth is a beautiful location in Dublin, maybe a 14-minute drive from city centre. But we chose a location with some cliffs near the lighthouse, and today the conditions are great because the direction of the wind is right where we need it to be for these cliffs to generate a huge amount of lift. But when we started recording this video, for some reason the wind started slowing down. What a coincidence.
The wind was excellent just a few hours ago, and now we're just waiting for it to be in the right speed and direction. But we're gonna fly the Riser 100. You saw it in the last video how I built it, and yeah, today is an excellent weather, which is very weird in Ireland. What do you think?
Man, I'm gonna tell you, I'm so scared because it's gonna be my first time flying, so I don't know. Wow.
Yeah, I forgot about that. He's gonna be flying the plane. But we have connected the planes, the radios with a trainer cable, which is failing us actually.
Yeah.
So maybe you can hear that. And I don't know, well, we're gonna try. Let me see.
It has a switch killer, so if I'm making a mess, he's gonna take control all over me. So that is the best part about this.
So he's never flown an airplane like this before.
Nope, first time.
An RC airplane. So let's see how it goes.
Oh man.
I'm still waiting for the wind. Well, I think it should be okay. It's just very slow. Let's do it, man.
Oh man, yeah! The hype is real.
Okay, let me just try and see what we can do, because it's very weird. Now the wind is picking up, but that was very weird. Okay, let me just
I'm not gonna do
position
anything.
it. Oh no, it's going down.
Whoa.
The wind is very weird. Oh man. Man, it's in a precarious position. I think we need a rope.
Yeah, kind of. We will
That
see.
was very interesting. It was my fault. He never controlled it.
I didn't. So
no, it's just the wind.
we will see where is the airplane. We're gonna take a video from there, and we will see how can we read.
I hope we survive this.
What do you think?
That was a failure in front of the camera. I was flying really nice. We have shots. Let's see those shots now. Okay, so let's search for the plane. I think this video it's turning out even better like this. Look at that. I mean, if we fall there, it's kind of steep. I think it's yes, here. It's here. We have to like crawl or maybe just lay down and try to reach it.
Maybe from the video it's hard to define how steep and dangerous that position is. So I wasn't going to take risk, so I crouched almost in a laying down position to avoid falling over the cliff to recover the glider.
Comments?
Okay guys, after the adventure,
oh man,
we've got it back, and now we are gonna fly. This time the wind is constant, it's higher speed, so we can fly now. Whew, let's just go straight to it.
I'm more scared now, so.
The wind is very strong. Let's check the surfaces. Okay, it's working. So, oh man, let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, and the training signal is getting lost. Okay, now it's okay. Fuck. Wait. Oh man, it's too much. I think it's gonna be crazy. Whoa! I think it's gonna be crazy. Whoa! Man, that was crazy. Okay. No, it's very strong. Okay, I'm gonna put it up, all the way up.
Okay.
There is a camera in the plane, so. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's very, very strong. I think this time it's not gonna survive. Okay.
I'm not gonna do anything right now.
Yeah, I think it's very strong. So what you have to do is just, for example, now it's going to the right. I'm gonna do it to the left a little bit, left, but just a little bit. Now I'm gonna point it towards the wind, and now down because it's going up, and then right. Let's see if you can do that.
No!
Just leave it in the center. You see? So, okay, so you have the control. Yeah, a little bit to the left. Down. Yeah, like that. Now to the right. Down. Yeah. Don't let it go up like that because it enters down. I have the control.
Okay, take.
Yeah, I have the control. Now it's too windy. Now it's very strong. We were asking for wind, and we got like a hurricane. Okay, keep your eyes in the plane, and now you have control. Now put it down and left, a little bit left. Now center and down, yeah, like that. No, I have the control.
Okay.
I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. It's way high.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, I'm gonna look at the.
How long is the range of the controller?
Huh?
How long is the range of
Yeah,
the
it's like 1 kilometer
Okay.
more, but right now we are like 300 meters. So
Okay, perfect.
imagine you can like lose sight of the plane because it's gonna be so small. Let me bring it like closer. I'm gonna turn like this.
Oh, it's gonna be
Extremely high speed.
Whoa, that was so cool!
Yeah, but it's really high speed.
Yeah.
Now, yeah. So you have to try and keep it down. Don't let it like go up too much.
Okay.
So I'm gonna, yeah, like that, and then okay. Now you have control.
Left.
Yeah. A little bit right because it just right, more right. Yeah, all the way. Now down. Yeah. Now left a little bit. Just, yeah, center. And down. Yeah. You have to be quick.
Yeah.
Okay, I have control.
Yeah. Whoop. He's going in the other direction.
No, it's okay. It takes a little bit of time to respond. I don't know if they can hear us because it's too windy.
Yes, exactly.
No, it's too windy. It's very windy.
I mean, it's extremely hard, guys. I have to tell you that.
Yeah. Maybe with another plane with more control, like the ailerons, you will have more, more control over the plane because it's
Maneuver,
it's too
yeah,
windy.
exactly.
But it's gonna be faster as well. So going faster, it's, well, here it's very nice for faster planes. Man, it's too windy. Look at that, it's going up and up. Okay, try and manage to go to keep it stable, okay?
Okay.
So you have control.
Okay.
Wait, I have control because
No, you have
to go
control
down.
now. Yeah.
You have to keep it going down a little bit. Okay, you have control.
Okay.
Down, right a little bit, right? No, have control.
Okay.
Because
It's too
It's
windy, guys. It's
nice.
too windy.
No, I think this is not for beginners.
The-
Actually, it's going to be extremely hard for me to land it right now. Okay, you now are going to fly it, so you have control.
Okay, what should I do?
Now to the left, all the way to the left. And yes, yes, very nice. Very nice. Left, left, left. Because it takes a while to respond.
Yeah.
Don't worry, just go down. Yeah. No, no.
Whoa! Yeah, you have
control.
control. Oh! I took it too seriously with the left thing, so.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh,
Something
the beard is gonna attack us!
I hope I can get a shot of the beard from the plane, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna bring it down a little bit, and then let's see if we can land it. I'm not sure. Do you want to land?
No, I'm
No,
not.
I mean, like, it's enough for you, or you want to fly more?
I don't know, bro. The thing is that I'm really enjoying this, but it's too hard to control
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
So I don't want you to lose it.
Okay.
So, and I mean, this is a great experience, guys. I mean, with the two controllers is wow. Without the controllers, it wouldn't be possible to me to keep it flying. So.
Okay, now it's steady, so try. Just look. Now you have control. Okay. But very slight controls. Very soft. Go to the right. Go to the right. All the way.
The control, I think.
Yeah, you have control. No, no, no. Okay, I have control. You were going to do a loop, but it's the wrong place to do that.
Yeah. At least I was able to keep it controller for 3 seconds.
Yeah, it was nice. So I'm gonna land it.
Yeah.
Try at least. I want to land, but there is people going around.
Yes, we have to wait. Actually, they are taking pictures of the airplanes.
Yeah, so I'm gonna keep flying a little bit. I know some people will say this is illegal and stuff like that, but it's actually not. This hobby has been around for like 80, 90 years, I don't know, something like that. And it's being a very widely enjoyed hobby around the world. So
Yeah.
after the drones came out, people started to say and classify everything that flies with a rear control as a drone, as a multi-rotor drone, which is extremely different. So yeah, it's not dangerous as long as someone responsible is flying.
Yeah, that's the thing with everything. If you like to drink, if you like to dance, if you like to, I don't know, to run, you have to do it responsibly. That's it. Yeah, we have so many people seeing us. Well, actually, they're seeing the plane, not us. But
Okay, the wind is better. You can try, but
Yeah,
let's see,
but-
because the radio is saying trainer signal lost every time. So maybe don't move.
yeah.
Let's see. I don't know why. Anyways. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I think so.
You have control.
Oh, maybe we have a shot from the.
You still have control, so yeah, go left now. Have control.
Yeah,
Because that's too much. Because then it goes like a pendulum effect.
Okay.
It will like go really hard because the wind is in that direction. So
Okay, perfect.
so it will go like very fast.
Very aggressive.
Yeah. So now again, are you ready?
Yeah.
You have control.
Well, left or.
Yeah, left. Just keep it into the wind.
Oh,
Now right? Yeah, like that. He centers. No, I have control.
Yeah. What happened if, in that case, because it was going too far away to the left? It's gonna what could cause?
It will. You will have to turn around because the wind will push it,
Okay, perfect.
and it will go that way very fast.
Okay.
So I will try to. Oh man, the sun.
You can try to do it like the other day, the last time. So.
Yeah. There's too much wind. That's why it just did that. Let's see if I can land there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you have it, Joy. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Man, that was weird.
Yeah.
That was the weirdest
So
landing.
hard, guys.
I wanted to get it closer to us, but I couldn't. It was impossible. Well, it was possible. It was like a machine learning AI thing, not a human thing.